Hello friends, welcome you all. So in this video we will discuss one more example of Turing machine, which is again acceptor kind of Turing machine. So acceptor kind of Turing machine means Turing machine is validating some string of some particular language. So it will give us two kinds of result, valid or invalid simply. So first I will tell you the logic of that particular language. The language I have mentioned here on here, as you can see, the language is a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. So this is our language, and as you know friend, in this particular language you need to make sure the occurrences of all three symbols will be same. So same number of occurrences of a, b and c. So it will not accept epsilon because the minimum value of n is 1. So first I will tell you the logic of this particular machine, and then we will create the transition of this machine. So transition diagram, before starting the transition diagram, we will discuss the logic of this machine. So here, as you know, in Turing machine you have one infinite tape, and the tape is infinite at both the ends. So in somewhere in the middle of tape, your input string is written, and at the starting of the process, or when Turing machine starts working, the read-write head of Turing machine always points to the first symbol of your input string. So your in the beginning of processing, this read-write head will point to the first symbol of your input string. So obviously you will be in Q0 at that time, which is your initial state. So on this particular moment, when you get first A, you will convert it into X, and remaining A you will escape, and then you will search for first B. So when you are getting first B, so you will convert it into Y, and you will escape all remaining B's, and you will search for first C. So when you are converting first C into Z, then you reverse your journey, the reverse the direction of your journey. So you will now move towards left direction, and you will escape all the symbols in the reverse journey until you are getting one x there, until you are getting one x there. And as you get x, you will reverse the direction of your journey, and you will again go back to q0, and you will repeat the process of the same process again. So in this time you will convert this a into x, then you will skip this a and this y, and then next b is will be converted into y, then you will skip this b and this z, and next c will be converted into z, and as soon as you convert this c into z, you will reverse the direction of your movement. So you will move in reverse direction now. So after this converting this c into z, you will skip this z, you will skip this b, all characters you will skip until you are getting x again. So at this point you will get x again. So again when you are getting x, so you will change your state to initial state again, and you will repeat the same process. So this time you will convert this a into x, and then you will skip all these y's, and you will convert this b into y, and then you will skip all these z, and you will convert this c into z. So as you convert this c into z, you will reverse the direction of your movement. So you will move in the left direction now, and you will search for x. So at this point you will get x, and you will change your state to q0 again. Then on q0 you will directly get y, you will directly get y. That means what? You have completed all the a's, and in that case you will skip all y's and search for any b. So if you are not getting any B and you are directly getting C, that means all B's also have been converted into Z, Y, and then you will continue moving towards right direction and you will search for any Z. So if your Z are also completed, then you will get blank. So in that case, when you are getting blank in this particular state, then it means all C's have been converted into Z. So this way you can, when you are getting blank, then you can accept this string, because at the same time all A's has been completed, all B's has been completed, all C has been completed. So this is the way you will create the Turing machine like this. Now I will tell you how to create transition diagram of this Turing machine. So I hope the logic of this language would be very much clear. If you have any doubt, you can always write to me in comments. Now we will start our processing. So as I told you, you will be in Q0, which is initial state of Turing machine. Then you will get first A here. So on first getting first A on Q0, you will convert this A into X. So what you will do here, you will change your state also to Q1, and on getting A, you will convert this A into X and you will move in the right direction. Then on Q1, you will get another A. You may get another A there. So you will skip all these A's. You will remain in same state and you will skip all these A. You will leave them as it is and you will continue to moving right. Now on Q1, you will get first B. So when you are getting first B on Q1, so you will convert this into Y and you will change your state also. So you will change your state to Q2, and when you are getting B, so you will convert this into Y and you will again continue moving towards right. Then on Q2, you may get another B's. So you will skip all these V's. So you can represent it like this. So on B, you will leave them as it is and you will continue to move towards right. And then when you on Q2, if you are getting first C, so you will convert this into Z and you will reverse the direction of movement. So on, and you will also change your state to Q3. As you are converting this C into Z, so you will get C, you will convert it into Z and you will start now moving towards left direction. Now on Q3, you will get A, sorry, you will get B, you may get Y, you may get A. So all these will be leave left as it is. So A will be left as it is and you will continue toward moving towards left. For B's, you will leave them as it is and you will continue moving towards left, and all Y's you will leave as it is and you will continue moving towards left. So this, then you will get X on Q3. So you will go back to Q0 and you will leave this X as it is, but you will reverse the direction of your movement. So now you will start moving towards right. It starts moving towards right. So again you are on Q0 and you are getting this A. You are getting this A. So now on you are on Q0 and you are getting A again. So this transition will be used. So you will convert this A into X. Then you will continue move towards right. Then you also convert your state to Q1. So on Q1 you will get another A. So you will leave it as it is and you will continue moving towards right. Then on Q1 you will get y. So this time you will leave this y as it is. So I will add one more transition here. You will leave y as it is and you will continue moving towards right. Then on Q2, Q1, you will get this b. So on b, you will convert this b into y and you will continue moving towards right. Then you will also change your state to Q2. Now on Q2, you may get another b. So this b will be left as it is. Then you may get CZ on Q2. So I will add one more transition here. You will leave this Z as it is and you will continue moving towards right. Now on Q2, you will get this C. So you will convert this C into Z and you will start moving towards left. So you will also change your state to Q3. So now you are on Q3 and you will start moving towards left. So now in reverse journey, you will get Z. So you need to skip this Z as it is and you will continue moving towards the left. Then you will get B. So you will leave this as it is and you will continue moving towards left. You will get Y. So you will leave this Y as it is and you will continue moving towards left. You will get A. So you will leave this A as it is and you will continue moving towards left. Then when you will get X in Q3. So when you are getting X in Q3, you are leaving this X as it is, but you are reversing the direction of your movement and also changing your state to initial state. So this time you are getting, again you are on Q0, again you are on Q0 and you are getting A. So this transition would be used and you will convert this A into X. Then you will convert your state to Q1 and on Q1 this time you will get Y. So this Y will be left as it is and you will continue to move towards right. And then on Q1 you will get this B. So now this B will be converted into Y and you will continue moving towards right and you will also change your state to Q2. Now you are on Q2 and you will get this Z. So you will leave this Z as it is and you will continue moving towards right. All Z will be skipped by this transition. Then you will get C. So when you are getting C, so you will convert this C into Z and you will reverse the direction of your journey. So you will move towards left direction now. Now in the left, when you are moving backward in the left direction, so you will get Z. So you will leave this Z as it is and you will continue moving towards left. You will get Y. So you will leave this Y as it is and you will continue moving towards left. And when you are getting X, so you will leave this X as it is and you will move to Q0 and you will reverse the direction of your movement. This time you will move in right direction. So here you will get X. So you will convert your state to Q0 again and you will reverse the direction of your journey. Now on Q0 you have got Y. That means all A's have been completed. So this time you will not, there is no transition for Y. So I will create one more transition here for Y on Q0. So we have used Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So this state would be Q4 and we will get Y on Q0. So we will leave this Y as it is and we will continue moving towards right. And then on Q4 you will get another Y. So you will leave this Y as it is. and you will continue moving towards right. And then on Q4, you will get Z. So when you are getting Z on Q4, you will move to another state which is Q5, and this is Z you are getting. You will leaving this Z as it is, and you are moving towards right. And then all Z would be skipped by this transition. Now on Q5, remaining Z you will get, so you will leave all these Z as it is, and you will move towards right. Then on Q5, you will get blank. You will get blank. So in that case, that means all C's have also been completed. So this Q6, so when you are getting blank on Q5, so you will reach the final state, and you will leave this blank as it is, and you will move towards right or left, it doesn't matter, but you will get the final state there, which is Q6. Now this is the transition diagram of your Turing machine. So I hope, friend, it would be very much clear. It would be very much clear. And now I will tell you very important thing about this. So you have, I hope you have understood the logic for a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. Now you may have some different language like a to the power n, b to the power n only, where you may have some less number of symbols, input symbols, or you may have some languages where you can have more number of input symbols. Like for example, a and bn in this particular language is greater than n is greater than or equal to 1. In this particular language, c is not there, right? So you can extend this same logic to two symbols only. You can convert this a into x and b into y. And when you are converting b, you will reverse the direction of your journey. Similarly, you can have more number of symbols there. A to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n, d to the power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. So again, you can see here, you can extend this same language, same logic there. You will convert x into a into x. Sorry, you will convert a into p, then b into q. As we are using q already, so you can convert this b into r, then c into s, and d into t. So like this. Then you can extend the same logic for 4 symbols. You can extend the same logic for 5 symbols. You can extend the same logic for n number of symbols. So if you are getting less than 3 symbols in your language, so you can extend the same logic. If you are getting more than 3 symbols in your language, then you can extend the same logic in that particular language. So this is general idea about these kind of languages. So I hope, friend, it would be very much clear now. I will, and if you have any doubt, still if you have any doubt, you can always write to me in comments, and I will definitely reply your comments. One more thing, suppose if you are getting any invalid string there, so you will at any particular moment you will get any combination where there is no transition for that particular combination. So in that case, if you are not able to find any transition for any particular combination that you are getting during your process, then this string you can declare as invalid string. So this is how you can create Turing machine for any particular language of this family. So I hope it would be very much clear, and still if you have any doubt, you can always write to me in comments. I will definitely reply your comments. Thank you so much, and do subscribe your this channel.